The mechanical typewriter is a great invention, and many modern keyboard designs are derived from it. When a key is pressed, its lever drives a metal-type slug to strike the paper, imprinting letters, numbers, and symbols. Uppercase characters and symbols are entered using the Shift key. When pressed, it lifts the entire type basket to switch the character set. To reduce frequent operation, a shift lock is also provided. The key levers are arranged in a fan shape, but differ in form so that all type slugs strike the same point. Each keystroke moves linkages and gears that advance the carriage, which is driven at a constant speed by a mainspring, so the paper feeds automatically. To prevent typing past the paper's edge, a stopper on the side of the machine triggers a bell when nearing the margin, reminding the user to perform a line return. Line returns are done by pushing a lever, which rotates the platen via gear.